Hey guys, I have recently lost against General Zod, so I just wanted to share the game with you because I don't even know why I want to share it, but just look at this. I was playing a normal opening, everything was okay, and the problem was I didn't know how to look for an advantage, right? I mean, this position was just equal. We had exchanged rooks, which just benefits him because he's black, so he's trying to fight for a draw for now, right? He wants to equalize the game. I'm playing some weird bishop b8 moves that don't even work. I cannot take because queen to a8. Knight to d4, king takes g2, knight to d7, and here, well, this looks good for a while, right? Because I'm like centralized and all that stuff. But I play a very weird king to f1 move. I really got stressed by the time because we are playing with no increment. I was just like, man, I gotta speed up because it might be an endgame with trouble. But to be honest, if I played knight to f3, I think I would have higher chances of winning because I believe knight works better with the queen, and I had 3 on 2 advantage. So I should have just played knight to f3, but I tried something weird, king to f1, and this literally loses material. Because after queen to h1, king to e2, queen to e4, I mean, I'm getting a fork, right? And there is no back rank because queen to d8. I mean, it's pretty simple. I also wasn't super focused during the game. I was doing something else at the same time. But yeah, uh, it feels bad to lose, obviously. And here, I had queen to f4, and after moves like pawn to e5, I had simple queen to f3. Again, I mean, during classical game, when you're focused, it should be not that difficult to spot. But we are playing the rapid, so it just didn't go well. And after this, he played very well. Instead of taking the pawn, he just attacked me here, forced me to exchange the queens, and I needed to surrender because I think he would beat me in this position. Yeah, I mean, next time I'm gonna beat him, so challenge is open. If you guys have like close contact with him, I can anytime if he's up for a game, I'm up for a game, and see you next time. Bye. Let's make chess great again.